Wow, look at this beauty. It is 7:30 p.m. and the sun is still up at this amazing wild nudist beach, Björnö Björkvik rocky beach just across of Björkvik half spot. It is an amazing wild nudist beach, and the sea is calm, super calm today. But despite being calm, it is only 14 degrees Celsius in the sea, and outdoor temperature right now it is 19 degrees Celsius. And yes, it is time for another beach adventures with Chris from Björnö Björkvik Nudist Beach that I visited last week. And I really enjoy visiting the Värmdö beaches, so I opted to come here once again. So this is a long stretch of rocky cliffs that you can find your own inner peace. And this is out on the open sea, and you have perfect evening sun right here. It is amazing indeed, so beautiful. Yes, 29th of July 2024 and beach day 108, and I'm once again here in Björnö Nature Reserve and exploring. It is such a wonderful sunny day, and let's then take a swim in the Baltic Sea together. I already took a swim earlier today here, across the other side on the public beach. That's right where the bus stops, 429 and 428 towards Lucen. So let's then take a swim even here. So yes, I have shown you this beach also in a setting where there were also lots of waves, but today you see the sea is super calm and majestic indeed. Wonderful. All right, so yes, to get here you need to take, as I mentioned, the bus to Björkvik's Brygga and then walk around 1 kilometer to get here, or if you come in by car, there is a parking that's just 200 meters away from this beach spot. Right, now let's find a suitable way in here because we have some slippery rocks here. Alright, so mix of rocks with seaweed here at the entrance, and after that it is deep enough for a dive also as well. So yes, beach adventures with Chris at Björnö Björkvik Nudist Beach. Let's then enjoy this swim. Let's go! Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing. Despite being a bit chilly in the water, 14 degrees Celsius, it is still amazing. I'm loving it. Look at that. Look at my view from the sea. Isn't it lovely and amazing? So last week I was a bit more on the other side, and 3 weeks back I was actually towards the end, on the other end of the beach in the beautiful nature here at Björnö Nature Reserve, and the sun is still up. It is almost 8 p.m. now, and yeah, beautiful summer day in Stockholm, more specifically in Värmdö, my favorite municipality out on the Baltic Sea here in Stockholm region. Whew, let's dive in once again. Right, then thanks a lot for watching this episode with me from Björnö Björkvik Nature Reserve. That's actually an unofficial nudist beach map on the Scandinavisk Naturist portal. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.